Hello and welcome to your weekly digest for the week of November 10th. Can you believe it's the 10th of November already? I sure can't. Coming up later this month, an open house and ribbon cutting are happening at The Hub. Come on out November 24th. From 3 to 6 p.m. we'll have an open house at this new park facility located at 2220 Traceway Drive. A ribbon cutting will take place at 5:15, but you can come from 3 to 6 to visit with city leaders and staff, local nonprofit organizations, and enjoy some light refreshments as well. Please come on out. This awesome park facility will be open real soon, and we can't wait to show it off. We want to remind you that this week is the final brush and yard waste collection of the year. So that means if you want brush or yard waste picked up from your home, you need to have it out on the curb by 6:30 a.m. on Monday, November 10th. Actual collection dates will vary, and they'll vary from your recycling pickup dates, but it does happen throughout the week, so make sure you get them out on the curb by Monday, 6:30 a.m. If you believe your brush was missed or you have questions about this collection, please contact Pelletary Waste Systems at 608-257-4285. And if you happen to miss out but you still have brush or yard waste you'd like to dispose of, the Fitchburg recycling drop-off site is open during daylight hours to Fitchburg residents. Come on over, drop off your brush and yard waste. We're more than happy to accept it any time as long as you bring it there during the prescribed times. The Fitchburg Housing Funders Forum is finally here. It's coming up on Thursday, November 13th. Let's get you the details. Calling all funders, lenders, developers, and housing partners, join the City of Fitchburg for the Housing Funders Forum. We'll explore tools like down payment assistance and smart growth strategies to expand attainable home ownership opportunities. That's happening on November 13th, starting at 1:30 p.m. It ends at 3. It's going to be at the Fitchburg Public Library. Please RSVP online to make sure that we know you're going to attend. Alright, so Stuff a Squad was Saturday, November 8th, but the Fitchburg Police Department's food drive runs all month. So happening from November 7th through December 5th, barrels have been put out at their usual locations, and the police department is collecting non-perishable food donations and other item donations to help out local families that are in need this holiday season. This is put together to support the Allied Food Pantry. Every can, box, or bag of food helps make a difference. So come on out, fill up those barrels. It'll be a huge help. We got some items on your screen that are recommended for donation. They're well needed by the Allied Food Pantry. That's your weekly digest for the week of November 10th. We'll see you back next week with the latest updates of what's going on in Fitchburg, Wisconsin.